Here the question is, if the seventh term of an AP is -1 and the 16th term is 17, find the nth term of the AP. Here we need to find the nth term. For that we need to find A and D. We know that an, the nth term of an AP is A plus n minus 1 into t. In the first, we will get seventh term of an AP. Seventh term of the AP is given as -1. That is n is equal to 7. So A7 is equal to A plus n minus 1. 7 minus 1 into d, that is equal to -1. That is A plus 6d is equal to -1. Okay. Now the 16th term. 16th term. A16 is equal to A plus 16 minus 1 into d is equal to 17. That is A plus 15d is equal to 17. Now we get two equations. A plus 6d is equal to -1 and A plus 15d is equal to 17. Now subtract this. 9d is equal to 18. That is d is equal to 18 divided by 9, that's equal to 2. Substitute this value of d in any of the equations, you will get A plus 6 into 2 is equal to -1, that's equal to A plus 12 is equal to -1, A is equal to -1 minus 12, that's equal to -13. Here we get A is equal to -13 and D is equal to 2. Hence, An is equal to, nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Substitute these values. -13 plus n we do not know, n minus 1 into D is 2. That's equal to -13 plus 2n minus 2. That's equal to 2n minus 15. This is the nth term of the AP. This is the final answer. That's all in this video, dear children. Thank you. Stay tuned.
Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. Hit that bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. Like and share if you found this helpful. Your support helps us grow and reach more students. Leave a comment below with your math questions. Check out our video suggestions on the right. Together, let's conquer CBSE Maths.